Welcome to another episode of Computer Programming. Today we're going to be going a little bit deeper into the if statement. Today we'll be talking about how to have multiple tests going on at once. So we have our basic if statement, and inside that parentheses we just do a test, and just to be simple we're just going to do math. So if that equals that, if 5 is greater than 1, we want to system dot out print line. I swear, as soon as I start typing in front of a camera, then I start typing slow. Captain America. So as long as 5 is greater than 1, Captain America will continually to print out. There we go. But let's say we wanted to add 2 tests to it. In Python, we would simply add in and, but in Java, it's actually 2 and symbols. And then we need to put in another set of parentheses at the very beginning and at the end. And then we'd have another set to test our other tests. So let's test if 100 is greater than 80. So again, back to the basic concepts of if statements, both of those have to be correct in order for it to work. So let's try and see if it works. Captain America. So 5 is greater than 1 and 100 is greater than 80. But what happens if we just switch one of these to 100 is less than 80? Let's see what happens. Nothing, because 100 is not less than 80 and it never will be. So this code, if you hover over it, it'll see dead code. There's no way this code will ever run because that will never change to be true. The other sets, so we have an and statement just like in Python, but in Java we have an or statement as well. So it's the same thing with an or. One or the other have to be true, but if one of them's false, it's fine. So let's do if 100 is greater than 80, and then this is a strange key. It's actually right above the enter key, and you have to hold down shift. So that is the symbol for or in Java. So if 100 is greater than 80, or let's say 60 is less than 50. System out print line Superman. So the question is it going to run or not? Is it going to print off Superman, or is it going to remain blank? Oh, it's just saying we need another parenthesis at the end. Dead code. It's saying it's dead code because, it's dead. Usually use variables. One of them would be a variable in most if statements, but we're just keeping it simple. All right, they both printed off. So this one is true, but this one is not. It doesn't matter. As long as one of them is true, it still runs. If they're both true, it still runs. As long as one of them is true, it will run. The second that I change this to a less than symbol, the whole thing becomes dead and it would not run that code. It'll only run Captain America because that is still true. This is not true. So again, those are the very basic concepts of ands and ors to do. And you could add with ands and ors, you could add in an else down here, an else if with an or down here. It gets more complicated than that, but that's the basics of ands and ors. Have a fantastic day.